In today's video, I will walk you through how to automatically label emails in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, click the small search options icon on the right side of your main Gmail search bar. In the From field, enter the email address or entire domain, like @github.com or @billing.netflix.com. Alternatively, add keywords in the subject or has the words fields. Don't hit search yet. Look down at the bottom right of that drop-down menu and click Create Filter. Now that you've told Gmail what message to catch, you need to tell it what to do with it. In the Filter Settings window that pops up, check the box that says Apply the Label. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select New Label. Name it something clear, like Development or Invoices. Now, click Create. Instantly, every past, present, and future email matching that criteria will snap right into its correct label. You can also manage your filters later if your needs change. To do this, click the Settings gear icon, select See All Settings, and open the Filters and Blocked Addresses section. Here, you'll see the filters you've created. You can edit a filter, delete it, or create a new one. And just like that, your inbox runs on autopilot. If this quick tech audit saved you from manual sorting hell, hit that subscribe button for more teardowns. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.